Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's currently 4 something and we're on our way to the airport.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold on. We gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Look at how Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love. I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Hop in your come on the way, am I in the way? I don't want pressure you none, I want your blessing today. Oh by the way, open the door by the way. Show you that I'm on the way, I'm on the way. I know connection is vague, pick up the phone for me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's currently 4 something and we're on our way to the airport.
I had to do it, I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made, told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away, yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely.
Guys, I have an headache, like my head is banging. I don't know what I'm doing with my elbow. Yeah, I'm actually going to lose my hair and then I have my appointment this weekend. No, not this weekend, on Thursday or Friday to do my hair. But yeah, welcome back to another vlog. My dad and my brother is around. They just came into the country today, and so we went to pick them this morning. I was supposed to vlog that, but it was such an intimate moment that I didn't even remember to pick up my phone to even vlog anything. But yeah, by the time we got home, I was so tired. Momo crash. I was so tired. I just went to sleep. Oh my god, my head hurts. Okay guys, so Zion is awake and mommy duty calls, so I'll check in with you guys later. Welcome back to another vlog.
Tell me anything. Compliment my energy is different like you next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the don't make me know I can't get no fucks. No, with all the rugged heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome.
I'm actually losing my hair now, and I made the flaxseed gel. And it was a lot because I wanted it to only contain this I don't want to say contain this container, but I don't know what to say. So I was supposed to take this to the mainland. Let me just adjust myself. Yeah, so I was supposed to take this container to the mainland. I was supposed to stay on the mainland on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then go back to the mainland this weekend because my sibling is around, my brother is around, and my dad is around. So just to spend time with them and just have like a little family moment. But Zion has missed school a lot, so I didn't want him to miss school again, but we'll still be going this weekend. So I'm supposed to take this, and it was too much, so I put some in this. I've used up this now, and so I just want to put some into this, so that it's like, this is DIY and I don't want it to be contaminated. Do you understand? So I'm just going to, this will be enough for me. My hair, okay, so backstory. Guys, the way my hair is set up here, sometimes like when I do my hair, I feel like, oh, my hair is not thick, my hair is just like just there. Do you understand? But when I start detangling, deep conditioning, doing all those things that makes me go through like a process, and then the hair is looking like it's taking a lot of products and everything. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's it. It's very cold now, so I can't use it now. So this is what it looks like. I want to make breakfast now. I want to make toast and avocado. That's why I got avocados for me yesterday, and then I just remember that I didn't say thank you, so thank you, babe. This is the one I got before, but I'm going to use this. This is the one that Desire got for me. Look at how big they are, and I think they are actually good to eat now, but I don't want to eat them now because I have this one. So I just want to make toast and like some avocado. Is it guacamole? I don't know, but it's just like toast and avocado. I want to use tomatoes, just one, because I'm not a fan, and then I have green onions, so I'm just going to add it. I also want to take my beetroot shot because I'm trying to do better. January for me, I wasn't so consistent like I thought I was going to be. I got burnt out, a lot of this and this and that, but yeah, that's not why we're here. We'll do that later. So my beetroot shot, and either I make green tea or I make like this turmeric thing that I do, and then later I'm going to make beans and plantain. So I'm going to mix them together. It'll be like beans and plantain porridge. I also want to kind of like add crayfish, fresh pepper, and ugu inside, but I don't have ugu now, so I'll probably check the market and buy my ugu. Yeah, so that's it right now. Yes, and yes, and I've just remembered something else I want to do. I also want to take this mango thing, this vitamin C thing that I stole from my daddy. I'm sure he knows that I took it. Immediately I said, I was like, this thing is so expensive right now. The last time I checked this, it was like, I can't remember, but maybe like 4K or 3K. And I'm like, gone are those days when this thing was like maybe 1,000 something. See, but yeah, that's it. I'm gonna make this. Use my nice cup. Well, this cup is broken. I'll get a new one, but use my nice cup to make this. And yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys later.
Don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages. Not gonna lie, sorry I'm faded. Think I forgot you love me, you love me, you love me.
I just wanna take
if you were there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gonna stop us. Ain't no one gonna stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your vein. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. I'm what you need. What you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need.
Ew. Guys, see my hair. They don't want me to start my video this time. I don't know why everybody's so shy. But
Everybody's not shy, we are tired.
why are you tired? What are you tired? What did you do that you're tired?
Just come and spend 1 week.
We are always spending 1 week.